Hello, today I've come onto the channel to make a Dutch fold card. So what you need is a piece of A4 card, and you need to trim that down to 14.5 centimeters by 24 centimeters. So I'm going to measure that first. Next we need to turn it to portrait and then measure and fold at 9 centimeters. So the card should look like that. Then we're taking the long strip from the bottom, so this is your 6.5 strip that you've cut off. Yep, 6.5, and then it's not quite 30. And if you score it at 7.5 and 22, and it should close up like that. Then you want to put some double-sided tape along here. And this is what it should look like now. Then of course you can decorate it however you want. I will be sharing that with you now. I've cut some black pieces of card so I can map and layer things. I've cut them all out, and then I've just written on the other side where they're going. So I'll just stick them in with some double-sided tape and some wet glue. That's my mat and layers finished, and next I'm going to use some really bright card. So I've got my vintage folk art Carley Duff signature collection kit here, and there's loads of really bright colours in here, so that's going to be perfect, and they'll really pop off that black background. I decided to go with the yellow and the pink. And I'm just going to cut some more mats just for the outside. Next I've cut my coloured mat, and I'm just going to go around the edges in some black soot distress ink. I've chosen my bits that I'm going to use on my card. I've chosen this big topper for the top of the card, and these two will be down the bottom, so it'll be symmetrical. And I'm going to do something slightly different with this. First of all, I'm going to put some black soot distress ink around the edges. I've chosen the colours, the next layers that I'm going to use, which are obviously going inside the card, and I'm just going to use some distress ink, black soot around the edge. I've chosen the bits that I'm going to use on the inside, so they match or coordinate with the outside, and I'm just going to take some black soot distress ink to the edges. did use some of the dies from the same folk art signature range by Carley. I've die cut a few pieces from one of the green sheets of card. I've cut some of them down as well, and now I'm just going to position them, see where I want them before I glue them down. As you'll see, I snipped into some more bits just to change them around a bit, but I'm happy with that, pleased with how that's turned out. Like I say, that is my favourite set of dies from Carley's range because they're so versatile. And obviously I've added all the mats and layers inside. We've got our greeting down here, and then I could just write in it either down here or up there, and I've even used an offcut from the sheet. Just a short video of the completed card. Thank you very much for watching. I love to read your comments. Please give me a thumbs up, and until next time, cheerio.